Hello mga ka-basketball. Ngayon naman ay mayroon tayong panibagong play. So, isa itong 1-4 high set na play. As you can see, 1 is on the top of the key and then 2, 4, 5, and 3 is just on the upper portion of the free throw line. So, between the free throw line and the 3-point arc, 1 makes the wing entry to player number 3, and then 5 of course will slides down the lane on the catch. 4 will pop out to the 3-point arc. At the same time, player number 1 will curl to the basket through player 4. Okay, and then after that, ball will be reversed to 4, who swings it to player number 2, who has popped out on 4's catch. And then 1 set a back screen on 5's defender, who spins off to the ball side post. Then as you can see, number 5 of course will seal in the post, creating a misdirection, as 4 will set a down screen to 1 to catch the shoot, or to catch and shoot at the top of the key. There you go. There. So, one more time, let's look at the play. Alright, thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and share. Thank you.